Well, Expert Interface, as the name suggests, it's a consortium of experts coming together with like-minded people, having extreme passion for what they are doing, and with a prime motive of education. So Expert Interface, in other words, for me, is education.
This 2.5-hour small interface session that we conduct is 7 speakers speaking about their areas of specialization, educating architects, interior designers, hoteliers, builders on the subjects that they specialize in.
Very thoughtful things. So I got to learn about a lot of things here.
Talking as a layman, all the products were new to us. We learned a lot. Would like to come again, be a part of the seminar. Thanks for the experience.
We worked on innumerable sites where several mistakes have been made and corrected. What we give to the participants, or rather the attendees, is the benefit of our experiences on site. The mistakes which have been made, and what we found from our experience is that the same mistakes happen again and again.
Ultimately end up saving the client a lot of money by making less mistakes. I think that is the major takeaway. And also they get introduced to new designs, new products, new technology, and they are interacting with CEOs. They're not interacting with any salesperson from the company, but directly with the boss of the company who has in-depth knowledge about the product and is passionate about his work.
Very informative, and especially the new technology which we are not present to, which is going to be very useful for us. So overall, like he said, it was compact, good.
Because we come to know and see a lot of new things which otherwise in a normal routine where we will not be able to come across.
Every stage in project planning adds to project cost. Improper coordination between vendors, management problems, management issues, issuing of POs, releasing of payments, everything adds to project cost. And we understand this cost is a cost to the project. And what we bring to the table is matter or information that would help you cut down these costs and execute projects seamlessly.
Realization of this session is that there's lots more to design than drawing a few lines. Well, number one, making the place look good. Today's design, the success in any design comes from a teamwork.
Industry-specific programs, which could be like just for the hospitality industry. So the 7 of us can put us a case study of the do's and don'ts of the hospitality industry. We can do it with developers who are coming up with various high-end residential projects or commercial projects. We can go down and become an educational program for most of the large architect firms, where we could get to their firm and do a targeted, a specific program only for their field. So we've done a lot of these programs across the country for very large architectural firms, and we're always available on invitation to actually do these customized programs.
If a builder, if a owner wants to get his house, hotel, home, office done on time and be functionally correct with minimum number of mistakes and at the least cost, then he definitely needs this. So I think that's whoever meets this criteria needs this.
And I met up with people like Roxanne, I met up with Mr. Tony, and we did business together.
I'm truly impressed by the depth of your knowledge as much as is your commitment to your field. I think that's a heady combination, and I genuinely appreciate that.